today's video we are going to learn how we can create the orange and teal look in Photoshop without using the camera filter. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is create 10 messages as one layer. Make sure that the output channel is selected to blue. And tap the value for green is 100% and blue as 0%. The next thing that we have to do is to change the stretch color into orange. And to do that, we'll simply create a saturation in this layer and select reds and tap the value for hue as +15. That's gonna make it orange, and we are almost done, but we still need to make the colors pop out a little bit. To do that, we'll move the saturation slider just a little bit. Don't go to 100, that's gonna make the photos look weird. Just keep it between 0 to 50. 25 feels great, and I want the teal to swap out a little bit as well. So let's go into the sands and move the saturation slider. 20 feels great, and this is how we can create the orange and teal look in Photoshop without using the camera filter. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't did it before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.